Okay students, now exercise 16D, I will do only one part of it and then I give you the time to do all the parts of it. Clear? Now first is find the circumference of each of the following circles with the following diameters. Now diameter is given, you just have to find out the circumference. I will do the B part of it, 8 centimeter. What is 8 centimeter? Diameter is given. So when diameter is given to you, what you will do, you have to find out the perimeter. So, perimeter, which is called as circumference. So circumference equal to pi d. Now 8 is not divisible by 7. So you take 3.14 into 8 centimeter. Now centimeter, 8 4s are 32, carry 3, 8 1s are 8, 9, 10, 11, 1 carry 1, 8 3s are 24 and 1 25, 25.12 centimeter. Like this you will do all the parts. Now question number 2 says find the circumference of each of the following circles with the following radius. Now radius is given as 10 centimeter. So circumference will be 2 pi r. So 2 into 3.14 into 10. Now again I have taken the value of pi as 3.14. So we just multiply it and you get, that is 4 2s are 8, 2, 6, 62.8 centimeter, like this. And then I will do the third part of it. Now third part says that find the radius of a circle with the following circumference. Now circumference is given to you, radius you have to calculate in this. Now I will do the first part of it, that is 44 centimeter. This is circumference. Yes, circumference is 44. So all of you know that formula is 2 pi r. Now we apply the different formula for that. Now formula says C equal to 2 pi r. So C is given as 44 centimeter, 2 into 22 by 7 into r. Now here 44 is divisible by 22. It comes in 22 stable. So we take 22 by 7 as the value of pi. Now we do the cross multiplication. We have to find out the radius. So radius equal to, this 7 will be multiplied by 44. 44 into 7 upon 2 into 22. And these 2 into 22 is multiplied with the variable. Send it to that side, it will be divided. So 2 times 2 and 2 cancel. So it is 7 centimeter. So radius will be given as 7. So after this I will give you, I will do the fourth part also. Then I will give you 10 minutes to do all the parts of question 1, 2 and 3, so that you will do the practice of it. But before that, let me do the fourth question. Now fourth question says that the radius of the base of a circular tent. If you have seen the tent is in a shape of like this. Yes, and the base is a circle. So base of a tent is a circle. Yes, it looks like a cone. So if you have seen, cone is like this. So this is the base of a tent. So base of a tent whose radius is given as how much? Radius is given as 7 meter. Find the circumference. So question 4, radius of the base of a circular tent is 7 meter. So circumference will be 2 into pi, 2 pi r, 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 meters. 7 and 7 cancel. 44 meter is the answer of it. Clear? Now I am giving you 10 minutes to complete the first, second and third question of it. Thank you.